Sport, I don't want you to talk for the rest of the night. Just enjoy it. And follow my lead. Incoming 2 sentry.
Beep, 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 beep. Those heals, man.
Alright, come on. Why are you guys going up there? Why? Why? Why are we going up there? Just asking. Incoming Robo Brain. Incoming Sentry. Very nice. Just keep moving forward. Do we want to clear this area, or do we not give a fuck about these lockers?
Can't have good stuff in here.
Okay. Okay, let's go for that one.
A regular one?
Okay, let's go get that one first. Is it the one that's in the room? Okay. Slowly, guys, slowly. Cern, you're getting shot by something.
It's just an iBot.
Incoming a lot of shit. Doing good. Yeah, we're gonna stop and do repairs right after this. Don't step any farther forward. Don't step any farther forward. Ah. Still got a good bit of shit coming. Yeah, we got more sentries coming. Everybody stay where you are at. Good job. Get back around this corner. Get back into this hallway. Cern, don't take it. Don't tank it. Okay, go ahead. Good job. Alright, everybody stay here and repair.
Thank you, Bomb Beta.
Repair quickly. Alright, if you can't, fucking somebody give me a super toolkit. We need to get through this a little bit quicker. Well, no, I just don't want anybody fucking coming down here while we have all of our armors on the ground. Thank you. If you're using cannonballs right now, you don't need to. Just saying. And we'll get plenty of ammo out of these lockers. Okay, we're gonna start moving forward slowly. Ready? Incoming bottom. Let's go. Let's go to the bottom, guys. Come on.
No fire angle. That feeling, no fire angle.
All right, everybody, stay along this back wall. Come on. Incoming sentry, Mark 2. Step behind me if you have regular PAM. Good job. Good job. Incoming RoboBrain.
I don't feel like walking back. Can you guys grab my stuff? Channel the all. Yeah.
Incoming from top.
Channel the tight.
Oh, that's the motherfucker.
Incoming sentry bot from top.
So move to AFK.
Oh, 200s. What's going on here?
He's wearing regular combat armor.
No, but what hits for 200?
The minigun. How much health this guy have?
No, we're just doing shit for damage, though.
I wonder why. Dude, guys, don't waste your ammo. If you have a burst weapon, just stop. Like, let the single guys take it.
Fucking
Incoming from top.
cheesy.
Cheesy. Like, you're an idiot. Wow. Okay, here.
Can we just kill him?
Huge incoming. Huge incoming. Cheesy, that's why we don't bring you on shit like this.
Talk about dipshit move, man.
Yeah, when we're all in fucking the best gear we have. I'm going up to check further. Alright, this down part is clear. Top is still not clear. Do not loot until top. Do not loot until we're done with top. Incoming.
Coming.
Stepping farther forward.
LOS, that's so we can one hex it probably. Stop moving, fighter.
Good job. Springfield can be revived as well. Everybody heal up to full now.
Dread, under a hit. Quite a bit. Blinded. I need repairs.
Okay, stop and repair.
Channel cheesy. I died inside a fucking crate. Channel cheesy. So now
I need help
my
on
weapon
Sheriff.
can't be picked up.
We're at
2 left.
That few when you can't pick up because you're too weak. Thank you, Bombada.
what? Alright, tell me when you guys are ready.
I'm good to go.
Alright, let's start pulling again. Incoming, Mr. Handy.
Can you pull it behind a wall? Actually, never mind. I should be able to burst it for like 100 something.
Incoming, Mr. Handy. This one has the hyperboloid. Thought you said it was a real one. Okay. Well, good. We need these MFCs. Guys, don't stand behind me. Good job. Does anybody have a super toolkit on him so I can repair my armor? Fucking.
The thing is, if he drops his armor, you need to drop a lot of items to pick it back up.
So I said, I just want. No, Springfield, pick all your shit back up. Just give me the fucking toolkit. Toolkit will repair it, like, all the time. Alright, let's go. Let's keep going.
Who's upstairs that just opened a door?
Channel bomb. Me.
Bombada.
Why? Why you open door?
Channel bomb. For roleplay purposes.
Okay, let's keep going, guys. Come on. Incoming. No! What the fuck are you gonna use a hyperboloid on?
Channel cheesy. Cause my ship stuck underneath the crate where I died.
Not so tough since molested.
You're fine. You can be revived.
Oh lord.
These things suck. I can't wait till we're out of this fucking level. We never have to deal with these again. CERN can be respawned.
I
Oh,
repped
CERN.
already.
Why did you rep
I
already?
gotta pick myself up.
There's a Vulcan on this Mr. Handy, by the way.
Vulcan's really bad down there.
Yeah, I know, I'm just saying. Where's that Mr. Handy that had the hand hyperbole?
Channel bomb.
I'm gonna need those
muted.
MFCs at some point.
Channel bomb. Muted. What's elevator door code?
Guys, heal up to full, please, before we continue any farther.
Those iBots really like to rape you.
Channel grams. Indeed.
Ugh, what fucking elevator door code? Four 739-51059.
Channel bomb. Muted. Type it.
Alright, we're gonna keep moving forward. I don't see a Mr. Handy on the top that has a hyperbolide. I don't know what the fuck you're talking about. I asked you if he was in the room and you said he wasn't. Fucking retarded nigger. Okay, go. Guys, go ahead and loot. It's a hand hyperbola and 2 cold plastics in this locker. If you, hand
Follow
hyperbola.
2 handbook.
Nice. I need, police stories if we find it. You're all a bunch of faggot nigger. Yeah, you guys are raped. Oh, I missed.
Thanks a lot.
Well, look, it says I missed. Oops, sheriff was hit instead of it floating eyebot. Wow, that's the worst fucking luck in the world.
Kill sheriff?
Yeah, I fucking melted him. I fucking typed it in chat, you retard.
You might be selecting one person instead of a channel.
It was to main.
Channel black underscore.
We're not in
rainbow.
main chat.
400.
No, it was the main chat as in the whole fucking mumble.
It doesn't send,
Channel bomb.
apparently.
Okay.
It's a channel, apparently.
Okay, let's go, guys. Oh yeah, we gotta get that.
My car is here, so if you want to ferry some loot back.
Fuck, how are we gonna... Who's gonna take it up?
Who's got alts? I got 2 alts here already down, so I'll bring an alt.
I was gonna ferry stuff out.
Is Sheriff alive or is Sheriff dead?
He's goo.
Judge Dredd or Sheriff?
Sheriff.
Sheriff.
Fuck, okay. Oh, why is there a mole rat after me?
Oh, Sheriff. Judge Dredd. Fucking deadly weapons here. You guys can guess the last number to this room.
I'm sending in a looter. This backpack, this armor actually gives more carrying capacity. That's pretty good.
Alright, go ahead and open that door whenever you're ready. How much HP does he have? Okay. You shouldn't hit too ridiculously hard. Power armor takes a lot of damage from hyperboloid, so you guys should like back up before you one hex him. Well, don't one hex him because regular power armor takes a lot of damage from hyperboloid.
Well, you know, close doors, assholes.
You're bad. Last number was 8. Pretty close.
Whoa, someone brought a lot of EMP rockets down.
Oh, juicy brand new hyperboloid. Somebody pick it up so we can ferry it back to base. So we can have 4 of them now.
Lux is full?
No.
Come out.
And dead.
And dead. Is he dead or revivable?
I'll ferry it.
Dead.
I will ferry it. Where are you at, CERN? Where can you ferry from?
I'm already hovering over Nevada.
You want me to come all the way out?
Yeah, how else are we gonna do this?
Channel bomb muted. If APA goes, we all go.
Yeah, we should all go. Everybody out. Anybody grab that hand hyperboloid? CERN didn't die, did he?
One of my guys died, why?
CERN 9 died?
Yes, sir, 9 died.
How did your power armor die? Oh, you fucking repped instantly.
I repped instantly, yeah.
Here, take this shit back up with you. Well, or no, you go get your gear. We'll take this up.